All these accessories will be included in your package. First, open the top cover and place the bracket in position. Place the filter into the bracket. Then you can add coffee powder with the provided spoon. Usually a leveled spoon is suitable for a cup of coffee. You can add appropriate amount of coffee based on your taste. Close the top cover. To avoid leakage of coffee, you can prepare the water with the provided carafe. The markings on the carafe match those on the water tank. Press the brew button, then the machine starts to brew. The resulting amount of coffee will be slightly less than the amount of water previously added to the water tank, because some of the water is absorbed by the ground coffee. Besides, there's warming plate to keep your coffee warm for 2 hours. Now it's time to enjoy.